The Ukrainian military destroyed a Russian military base in the occupied town of Nova Khakhovka on August 28, local media report. The Russian military base was located at the former Sikkel instrument-making plant. Ukraine's general staff has not yet officially confirmed the information. At the same time, local residents posted photos and videos of the aftermath of the strike on social networks. Photos from the town of Nova Khakhovka show a pillar of smoke rising above the area of the plant. The exact number of Russian casualties as a result of the strike is unknown, but eyewitnesses claim that the plant has been completely destroyed. In short, there is no Sikkel plant anymore, that's all. Everything inside was bombed out, says an eyewitness in one of the videos. Later, Kherson Regional Council member Seryklin confirmed there had been a Ukrainian strike on the plant. Although the propagandists report that their air defense was clearly heard, the Rashists, Russian fascists, received another pop from the armed forces of Ukraine in Nova Khakhovka, he wrote on Facebook. Our guys hit the headquarters that the orcs had set up at the Sikkel plant. The Ukrainian military also said it had destroyed one of the largest Russian military bases in the town of Melitopol overnight on August 28. The mayor of Melitopol, Ivan Fedorov, claimed there had been overnight strikes that hit the city as well as the nearby village of Myrna. The first of them was so strong that windows in some houses shook and plaster fell. We are waiting for confirmation that the armed forces of Ukraine destroyed another base of the occupiers with jewel-like precision strikes. The enemy will never be at peace on our land. In an update post, Fedorov said one of the buildings destroyed in Myrna was where a pseudo-referendum was being conducted. He added, in Melitopol, one of the largest enemy bases in the territory of the active Orlit plant was destroyed. Multiple explosions were also heard in temporarily occupied Sevastopol, Ukraine. The Rashists claim air defense is active, but fires on the ground say otherwise.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.